guys, now we're gonna be trying some Yo Crunch M&Ms. Y'all think this is gonna be good? I think it's gonna be good. Dad, can you help? Dad, can you help? That the M&Ms are all on top. And when you take the lid off, I'm gonna put my hand so the M&Ms. Wait, the M&Ms are in here.
Right here.
Oh, it's yogurt.
Yeah. We got mixed M&Ms in it.
Give me a spoon, Dad, please. So, don't worry, guys. We'll get y'all back up. So, we're gonna try it. We're gonna put the M&Ms in. Okay, so we're gonna be trying it. 3, 2, 1. Sweet, but with a kick at the end. Sweet, but with a more sweet kick at the end. It's kind of good. Let's rate it. I think it's gonna be 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. And it's vanilla yogurt. The M&Ms are starting to lose color. M&M color yogurt with M&Ms in it.